Simple, healthy and hearty, this big summer soup, as we like to call it, is easy to make, tastes great and will fill you up. Cook 1 onion and 2 garlic cloves in a little low-calorie cooking spray for around 8 minutes until softened. Roughly chop 3 large tomatoes and add them to the pan. Add 2 tins of drained butter beans, plus a can of water. Bring everything to the boil, then cook for around 15 minutes. While it's simmering, cook 8 frozen Slimming World pork sausages following the pack instructions. Add 260 grams of spinach to the pan and cook for 5 minutes until just wilted. Season and squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, divide between 4 bowls and top with the cooked sausages.